Stop. Just, it's okay.
I'm pretty sure that was it.
No.
Oh, what a party pooper.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Jay.
I'm Shina.
And today we are going to be doing a drive with us. So, we're just gonna run to Sephora, but why not?
Come with us.
Whip it with us.
Let's get it on.
Let's get it
popping. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need some sunglasses just to add to my character.
I don't wear sunglasses, guys.
She thinks she looks weird, but
I do look weird.
Whatever.
Hit the tunes, Jay.
Oh girl. Actually, this is gonna mess up my nose, so we can't do those.
True.
See,
it's so hot today, guys.
How it's 89
that's
degrees,
a damn
but
lie.
It feels like it's
89 degrees.
You're so huge.
Big ass truck, man. I like your voice.
I am obsessed, especially her Cardi B. That Bodak Yellow remix. Oh, I love that one.
Say little B, you can mess with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is no shoes. At the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Had the brother, I said, donkey come the border. I don't dance now, I make money move. And I don't gotta dance, I make money moves. If I see you don't speak, that means I don't mess with you. I'm above you for what could be. I make money move.
You live in a good area, everything's close.
There's a lot of stuff over here.
Yeah.
And then we're close to the freeway too.
Yeah.
Come on, stupid. Come on.
So we're going to Sephora. I still have to get my birthday gift. My birthday was in July.
Sis didn't get her birthday gift.
And Jay has a gift card, so she wants us. I have a gift card too, but I have $7 on it. I don't know what I would have to just buy something and then add to it.
Yeah.
Look how cute Jay looks, guys. I look so basic.
Crazy.
She does not look crazy.
She looks natural.
Yeah, I'm natural.
Glowing from within. Oh, big baddie. Hey.
We turn it up.
You know this one by Keisha?
Nope. I don't know anything.
Shina, you've got to get it together. Ooh, look, y'all. Look.
Oh, shit. I didn't even notice.
Okay, Speedy Gonzalez.
Well, look at this light on me, guys. God, is that you?
It is God.
It is God.
He's telling you you're his angel.
Oh, amen. Where are you running to?
Really? Oh, y'all. I'm telling y'all.
Houston, literally.
Are they? Am I tripping or?
Nah, bro.
Okay. I thought maybe I was tripping.
Houston drivers are
the worst.
terrible.
Literally. You have to have.
Yeah, you have to be a good driver to drive here. You cannot just drive anyhow.
You have to have 8 eyes on you when you're driving in
Literally.
person.
Oh my god, sorry. I'm sorry, that was my fault. That was my fault.
Sephora.
Is that one? Bitch. Bitch, it is.
Yay. Thank God. So
see, when you spot a spot, you gotta whip it and run. Okay. All right, girl, let's go.
Okay, let's go. People just gonna have to look at us. This just really it.
Where are the pictures? Where's those?
Those. That's the word. We're that. so good.
A shade range.
Ooh, that is a shade range, you guys. Isn't it?
She's so gorgeous. I love her.
So cute.
$30 for this one.
This little thing.
Yes,
Oh,
$27.
baby. Girl, you done lost your mind. Okay.
Like, look at all
That
that.
looks so cute.
Oh my gosh.
Which one is that? My mom would love that.
This is Estella. Funny.
All right, guys. So we. Ooh.
Not even
Hold
open my
on.
eyes.
Shay, open your eyes.
I can't.
So we just left Sephora. There's nothing in here. I just got my birthday gift.
I got Laura Mercier powder and a lip liner from, what was that brand? Makeup
Was it not
Forever.
this? It is.
Steaming.
I'm finna melt.
This line is a little thick.
Everybody feeling lazy today.
She a little thick. I'm gonna have to get extra fries because their fries are so good and they don't put enough in the to-go box.
Jay loves fries. Like
Oh my god.
Beyonce. Oh, I never heard this one before.
Really? I love this version.
I've never heard this version.
Oh, I love this. I love this. I look washed out.
You look washed out. You look bad. What else? What else? Jay thinks she doesn't look good today.
I like how I look on here. But I can't
It looks.
see.
That looks good.
This looks crazy. Look at my eyeshadow.
It look. Oh my God. This girl. Show them. She's saying that no. Girl, are you dumb?
Dancing in the dark.
In the dark.
With you between my arms.
Between my arms.
Barefoot on
I love cars like this.
listening to our favorite song. I want a G-Wagon so bad. But they're discontinuing them.
Really? What? Why? Oh my, what?
So I'm just gonna have to get a pre-owned one whenever I have money to buy
Yeah.
one. Because
Oh my
I need
God.
to have a G-Wagon. Like, I have to have
What color would you get?
black.
Yeah.
I feel like
black
they
is
only
so
look good in
sick.
black.
Ah, what am I gonna get?
I mean, there's not many options.
I think I've had their sandwich before. It was pretty decent. But I want, like, fingers. Chicken fingers. Not, you know. Yeah, I've had their... I'll just do the 3.
Uh-oh, we're getting
Getting close. We are the next ones in line. I have like mini dimples. I'm convinced.
I'm sorry? The first one, can I get the box combo? No coleslaw, extra fries instead. Sweet tea, the toast bobbed. Can I get the 3-finger combo? The toast bobbed and a sweet tea. Actually, on both of them, can you add an extra sauce? I'm sorry.
Don't it seem like I'm always there when it matters?
Look what I have in my wallet.
First bag?
Thank you.
Look what it says, you guys.
What is that?
Second one, 3-finger combo, sweet tea, cane sauce on the side, and
I don't know why I have this, but I don't want to throw it away.
Dang, he was rushing me. I couldn't even think. Lord.
He said, get out my line, Nick.
It's hot as shit.
They kind of played us with the fries.
Like, seriously, like,
Yeah,
what is this? This is not extra fries. This is not extra fries. So mad. Oh, that's why I don't like
burned
going through
myself with the
drive-thrus.
chicken. Can I see them for it being too hot?
Girl, please.
You know, that's what this lady did with McDonald's. Coffee.
Yeah. I really should go in there and like, can I have the rest of my fucking fries?
Jay, don't play with her fries.
When I say extra fries, I expect extra fries. Especially when they're good. And they're good today. Like, really? Oh my fucking god, I'm so pissed off.
I'm sorry for your loss.
That's a good L. It's okay though. I didn't even pay for it, so.
Who?
Did they give you ketchup?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You have some?
No, they bitch asses didn't give me none.
Do y'all like these packets or the regular? These? Yeah, same.
Cane's has the best sweet tea, guys. Cane's is lacking.
Slacking.
They think because they're busy right now that they can just pull this bullshit. I think the fuck not. Literally,
Hot.
my stomach was touching the skin on my back. Not my back, but the skin on my back. I feel like that's further than my back.
Did that make sense, y'all?
My only issue with Cane's is that they don't season their chicken.
Yeah, I was at H-E-B one time, and this manager from Chick-fil-A came to buy like 100 buns, like packs of buns. And I was like, is this what y'all use at the Chick-fil-A? He was like, yeah, it's the same thing.
Filet smacks though. Their chicken tenders are bomb too. I went to the sushi place right here. It's called Sushi Choo. Don't ever go there.
Oh, really?
The worst service of my life.
Dang. Jay can spot bad service.
Service is important, okay? They don't hire you to just be rude to your customers. Like, bitch, if you want a good tip, you better treat me nicely. Because I will give you a bad tip if you don't treat me nicely.
What's
Or
a
not
bad
one
tip?
at
Not
all.
yeah, just not one at all.
Or like a petty tip, like $1 when I have like a $40 ticket.
Dead. What's the worst place you've gotten customer service at?
Carrabba's. And usually like that place is really good. Their food is usually really good. But
Hold on, I gotta undo my belt.
our waitress was such a bitch. She was a bitch.
I was at the other end, so I didn't really know what was going on.
I heard she threw a to-go box at you.
Yeah, I think I didn't even see it. I think Nicole and Desiree saw it. I was not paying attention.
But she had such a bad attitude. Like,
Whew, had to release my belt.
and it's not like we were being disrespectful or anything to her. When it was time for us to pay, I paid cash. Desiree paid cash. And when she brought our change, she didn't bring all of our change. Because they don't have, like, change, like, actual, like, coins and stuff. They only have dollars. Well, okay, bitch.
That's not your problem.
If that's the case, say something, first of all.
True.
And then we talked to the manager, and he was like, usually they round up $1. Desiree, she had like 85 cents of change missing. So she definitely should have got a whole $1.
Yeah.
When we told her that we wanted our change, she brought us each a quarter. Mine was like 45 cents, and Desiree's was like 85 cents or something like that.
What the heck?
Bitch, I didn't ask for no quarter.
I'm dead. And I like that the sauce is cold. Is that weird?
Yeah, with the hot chicken. Yeah, I get it.
Jay gets me.
Yeah.
Ooh, these
But, like,
are so
these in here-
modern.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, these are condos. No?
No, they're like townhouses.
Townhomes. Sorry. Yeah.
You know how much they cost?
Enclave. It sounds expensive.
$600,000.
You could buy a house with that money.
I mean, it is a house, but it's not as big as
Yeah,
like.
you could buy a bigger house. Is what I mean with that
but
money.
they're like 3 stories. They're so nice.
They have a basement, or is it just?
Uh-huh.
Oh no, they don't. I see. Wow, they're so pretty.
Yeah, houses in Texas actually really don't have basements. That's so weird.
Yeah, we don't.
Because of like
all.
flooding. One day we will be able to deliver a bomb ass house tour. One day.
Hopefully.
I don't know where the money gonna come from, but
It's
one
gonna
day.
come from somewhere. It's gonna have to come from somewhere because I just cannot be broke when I'm older. I have so many things I want to do. So many things I want to
I have
buy.
so many places I want to go.
Just being broke is just
I want to be so rich that I just wear Chanel like clothing.
every day.
Yeah, like that's my wardrobe.
Sucks. Okay.
Like, why is she going so slow? Bitch, we had to get that underbridge wired in.
Okay.
Okay.
Mine's just so weak. No, you know that I don't know if you saw that picture that who was it? Kim posted of the 3 of them, and she said the triplets of like the 3 babies. And then people have been like saying True is uglier than the other 2.
Yes, my sister just told me that the other day. I think
was
she's
so mad.
so
She's
cute.
so beautiful.
She
Like
looks
she's
like-
so cute.
She looks
She looks like her dad to me.
but she looks like a different ethnicity. She looks
Yeah, I know what you mean. But I was like, oh my god, like people are disgusting.
seriously like it's a child. How dare you tell someone their child is ugly? Like
No, but
really?
also people are saying it's like how she's 1/4 white because everyone thinks that OJ is
Oh
Chloe's
my god.
dad. I'm kind of iffy on that issue. I don't really
She
know.
looks nothing like OJ.
She doesn't, but
And she would have more pigment if she was his child.
she just looks completely different from the rest of them. But I mean, kids do.
Well, that's possible. She could look more like her father.
What if, like, on OJ's deathbed, he, like...
Shut up, Shina.
I would do some shit like that. Can't Chloe's my daughter.
I love her.
Alright, you guys, so we are back at the crib or whatever. We is back home, and you know that concludes our drive with us. We hope y'all enjoyed spending the day with us because we enjoyed spending it with you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, subscribe. All of our social media will be in the description box. No comment things you want us to do down below because we would love some ideas.
Oh, we can always use ideas.
We can always use ideas.
Send our channel to your friends, your family, your enemies. Okay.
All right.